mainly famous for Alwar Fort and Sariska Tiger Reserve, is 3.5 hour drive from Delhi and is a perfect destination for a day trip. If you leave Delhi early, then you can reach Alwar by 10 am. That's when the fort gets open for its visitors. Although Alwar Fort is approximately 7 kilometers from the main town, but while passing through the narrow streets only, you can feel its importance and grandeur of the city. After approximately 170 kilometers drive, we reached the entrance of the Sariska Tiger Reserve. This part of the jungle is famous for leopard spotting, and the main fort is inside this protected jungle. Pre-COVID, you can actually take your own vehicle to the fort, but due to this pandemic, you have to book a gypsy provided by the Rajasthan Tourism, which will not only take you to the fort but also covers the jungle safari, and costs you approximately 1300 rupees. Not a bad deal. This 9th century fort, sitting 300 meters above the city, was originally built by Nikum Rajputs and later occupied by the Mughals. So you can see both Rajputana and Mughal architecture here. Although I didn't wanted to leave this place with such a scenic beauty and birds chirping in the background, but I don't want to miss the jungle safari as well. So I moved on for the next adventure. Before leaving, you can show some love and appreciate the work by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. In our next episode, we will go for the jungle safari. To know if we really spotted any leopard or not, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I post a video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Jai Hind.